first heard that he had macular degeneration, he was definitely depressed because we had heard so many stories about people who have lost their sight. And in general, the doctors are not that clear because they don't always know exactly what the result is going to be or what the prognosis is going to be with each person because everyone is so different.
The retina is the light-sensitive part of our eye. It's analogous to the film of a camera. It is what allows us to be able to see. Now, the macula is the part of the retina which is responsible for all the fine central vision. So when you use your eyes to read, when you discern color and these type of things, that's using that macula.
I find that it's very difficult for me to read very much at a given time.
And he would be reading and he would put the book down and say, I can't read it, I can't see it. I hope something can be done.
I believe that macular degeneration has really affected some of my independence. I think my family has a problem with regard to the fact that I have AMD.
Families do have to step in and help quite a bit. That can be very difficult on the dynamics of the family relationship because previously that was a very independent person who now unfortunately has to rely very much on others for driving, to be able to even read prescriptions, to write on their checkbook.
People ask me if I was ever screened for macular degeneration before I discovered it, and the answer would be I have not been screened, never thought of it.
A Amsler grid, which is a grid with a very even set of lines, can often also be used as a screening tool. With a patient with macular degeneration, they can often find that there are distortions in those lines, and so they might have some wavy lines or even missing lines. It is still important to have your eyes examined regularly, even if you're not having symptoms, even if you're not having functional problems, because identifying patients early on with disease, early treatment has really been shown to save vision.